your nation people. So, when it already hear already about the water who claim him a violate Vybz cartel. You see what I say? Where him a threaten the man and I make the man know say him will kill him and Vybz cartel make him know say him have to promise him that, him have to owe him that. You see what I say? And him a go on wicked and them thing there and I claim say Vybz cartel soldier Tommy Lee disrespect him and that's why him a make things hard for him and all kind of shit. Well, you know, me's a man when I like run out, you know, with no fake news. So, me there, I watch what I go on carefully and see say well then right now, Vybz cartel lawyer come out, Mr. Buchanan, you see what I say, and speak about it. And right now, the man I say, right now, you know what I mean, investigation supposed to go on because them not really like them thing there. You see what I deal with. So right now, the matter going to be investigate nation people. But what me I say, same like how when you hear some news run out on the internet about some artists who get locked up in a prison. You see the prison itself, them take action. You see them either transfer the artists, you see what I say, or them evil and make things, you know what I mean, like tighten up things, like more security way. You see what I say, pan the artists and them shit there. Right now when you hear them things they come out about water, you know. Yo, if I that him go on with, you know, him supposed to get, you know. Him supposed to get, you know, transfer, you know. But before even that, you know, if the investigation prove, you know, said that where the boy go on with, you know, a real thing, you know, him supposed to get suspension without pay, you know. No gimmicks business not that about it, you know. Because at the end of the day, you have to remember, say, oh, you're water, you know. You're not no police, you know. You're water. And that's still only if you give police the right. But you know how police thing do have more power. You see what I say, but you just a water. And half the water compound is a normal civilian. You see what I say? So I don't understand what kind of toughness when they approve from prisoner. You see what I say? And I go like say, well then you don't feel like a lollipop thing. When you know say the man case pending said way, you see what I say, that the man that they are wait pan. You see what I deal with. You're not supposed to have no form of argument with the man, my brother. If the man not give no form of trouble, my brethren. You see what I say? Because you can't force respect out of them man, then I care if I in a prison there. If man not respect you, man does not respect you, my brother. No lollipop thing not there about it. Or either thing the system are go on with. You see what I say? You make them people here can feel like them can do what them want or do what them feel like. Well, anyway. Yeah. Hi, good. Mr. Isaac Buchanan attack the matter in the most principle way, because you don't know how them man they deal with things. You see what I say? So right about now where the big man really I say right about now is you know say a proper investigation I go on right about now. Yeah. Because it gets serious now. You see what I say? And if we have to break the trend in the prison system, that go on, because we not going to take no part of that. You see what I say? And you have to know that we not take bad up. No lollipop thing not there in it. No gimmicks thing not there in it. Well, anyway, nation people, a matter of fact, you know, the Christmas, well cute, well cute. Now give me thing not there about it. The Christmas cute Gaza nation. Because here we go on. Beside the Christmas, you have World Cup football. And you have Vybz Cartel. I drop a next EP again. You see what I say? And this one is real interested. Because even the lawyer you hear speak about it. And the lawyer was very happy are the body of the work where the world boss are drop. You see what I say? So I guess him get snippage or him a listen a certain track. You see what I say? Because him speak highly of it. No gimmicks business, no dead about it. No lollipop thing, no the inner nation people. So the EP, it's all about the whole appeal thing. You see what I say? And them shit there. So you know how the boss got to work. A sophisticated way. No gimmicks thing, no dead about it. And no look a random thing. No, a precisely planning, well orchestrated. I saw them on the move. So the EP there supposed to be very interested. You see what I say? Because more while you see some people are run up and skin up them teeth and talk about numbers and them shit there. We as nation people, it's not all the while we as a man we go out and kill off ourselves about numbers business. Because the message of the whole thing was structured. It was so remarkable done. That mean it there in our place in our heart. So we personally will not even craving for fucking numbers. And I would been there, done that, I would do that all the time. You see what I say? No joke shit no dead about it. And nation people, when the EP a drop, because this one is about the whole appeal thing and their shit that no have nothing to do with no woman. So me see how no support stay right now. Me see if you not gonna complain and I say, well then a woman thing and where and who vex no one stream it nor buy it. That's what I say because me never like them things that we don't need no nation people. No joke shit no dead about it, you know. When you see the boss drop quality work, you know, my virgin. When you stop watch certain shit, you know, and I watch about personal life, and you not pre the bigger part of the picture, and you not pre the message. You see what I say? Oh, perfectly orchestrated. But anyway, right now, you know, we see say we learn the people them for the Grammy. Them not use Masicka Big Bad album. So me not understand how the Grammy work. Because Masicka album is the most streaming album. Yes, what I say? Yeah, the most streaming album. So me don't know how the Grammy work. But right now, them have Proto J, Kabaka Pyramid, Coffee, Sean Paul and Shaggy. None of them albums where them drop, no do a Masicka album do. So me not understand how Masicka no get nominated. But anyway, this is not nothing to discourage a Masicka. Because what you must know, the most important thing, your project have the best streaming. You see what I say on all platforms. You see what I say? So that alone supposed to give you the ego and the urge for know so well then we have to press on. Because ghetto youth normally not get nothing easy. You see what I say, rude boy? No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I say? Your work as speaking for itself. You see what I say? Excellent work, my brother. All know it still a mash up the whole fucking place. So, I not understand the Grammy, but I regular me hear whole heap of artists wild out on the Grammy by not getting nominated for them project where them drop. So, it won't be the first and the last. A whole heap of people disappointed, but Masicka, we are going to use this as a motivation. You see what I say? Because when you talk about album were released and coming from out of Jamaica, you top the list. You see what I say? And the Grammy not see that. So we not gonna make the Grammy stop we from doing what you do because quality music you put out right now. And I think right now you're in the best form ever. So just go and execute properly. You see what I say, no gimmicks thing no dead about it. I tell you something, water boy. Remember, you have to go to your yard when time your job done. You hear that? When the hours where you get for do, remember when it finish, you have to go home. When you go to your yard, you're just a normal civilian. Or the general, the 10-star one, I represent. Watch.